Hello everyone, today we are solving Biology Paper 1, June 2023 of Ordinary Level Cameroon GCE. We have 1.5 hours to solve this multiple choice question. So let's get started in our first question. The first question is asking us that an organism which stores food in the pyrenoid. Okay, we have A. Bacteria, B. Amoeba, C. Spirogyra, D. Fungi. So what is pyrenoid? Pyrenoids are structures found in the chloroplast. Okay, so which where plants when they trap solar energy because they use photosynthesis to convert food for their food. So when they trap solar energy in the chloroplast, it stores actually in the pyrenoid. So which one has a pyrenoid among all of these four? It is a spirogyra. So the correct answer to question number C is spirogyra. Then what where does the amination occur in the body? That's question number 2. The amination occurs in the liver. Okay, the amination occurs in the liver. The lungs are responsible for breathing and the stomach is responsible for digestion. So we know that the amination occurs in the liver. So answer to question number 2 is A. Number 3. What is the effect of untreated sewage in water? A. It increases the population of aquatic organisms. B. It increases oxygen solubility in water. C. It causes turbidity. And D. Causes eutrophication. It causes eutrophication. Okay, and what is eutrophication? Eutrophication is when untreated sewage introduces excess nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus into water, and this can trigger excessive growth of algae. Okay, a phenomenon called eutrophication. As the algae die, they decompose and they can consume oxygen, creating dead zones where aquatic life struggle to survive. Okay, so when the excessive algae dies, they'll decompose, and as they decompose, they consume all the oxygen in the water. Means there'll be less oxygen in the water, so aquatic organisms will strive. And so it can cause eutrophication. That's untreated sewage in water. So the answer to question number 3 is D. What question number 4? Question number 4 is asking us where in the nephron is glucose reabsorbed? Take note, reabsorbed. Most glucose reabsorption happens in the proximal convoluted tubule. Okay, proximal convoluted tubule is lined with special cells that contain sodium glucose co-transporters. Okay, and these co-transporters help to reabsorb glucose from the filtrate back into the bloodstream along with sodium ions. The answer to question number 4 is D. Question number 5. Number 5 is asking us that in the water cycle, which process causes water molecules to return to the atmosphere? We have absorption, condensation, evaporation, precipitation. We all know the definitions of each of these. Okay, so the answer to this number 5 is evaporation. Okay, because evaporation is a process by which water at the surface of the earth changes from liquid state to vapor or to gaseous state. Okay, the sun provides energy that causes water molecules to escape from the liquid state and enter back into the atmosphere. So the answer to question number 5 is C. So number 5, it is the evaporation. Question number 6. Which of these prevents contraction of urine wall during pregnancy? Okay, and which of these prevents contraction of the urine wall during pregnancy? We have progesterone, we have estrogen, we have luteinizing hormone, we have follicle stimulating hormone. Well, it is the progesterone. Okay, it plays a key role in preparing the uterus for pregnancy and maintaining a healthy pregnancy. It also helps to thicken the urinary lining and suppress urinary contractions. So that is the function of this hormone, to thicken the urinary lining and prevent urinary contractions. So that is progesterone. Okay. Number 7 is asking us that the following organisms make up a food chain. We have snake, we have man, frog, locust, groundnut plant. Which of these is a primary consumer? The primary consumer, don't forget, primary producers are grass, plants. Primary producers are plants because they take direct energy from the sun. So which of these is a primary consumer? That's they feed directly on the plants. Okay, and it will be C, the locust. Obviously it's the locust. Okay, in the food chain, primary consumer is the organism that eats the producer. Okay, the producer is the organism that makes its own food, typically through photosynthesis. Alright, so in this food chain, the primary consumer is C, locust. So our answer is C, the locust. Let's go to the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8. Okay, let me read the directions of question number 8. This group of questions relates to biological diagrams. Select the best answer for each question. Good. Question number 8. Which blood vessels carries the oxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs? Which blood vessel carries the oxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs? It is the pulmonary artery. That is D. Okay, the pulmonary artery. It is the pulmonary artery. Okay. Look, this is why the pulmonary artery is the only artery in the body that carries the oxygenated blood. Take note. So it's the only artery in the body that carries deoxygenated. Take note, deoxygenated blood. It carries blood from the right ventricle of the heart to the lungs for oxygenation. The renal artery carries oxygenated blood to the kidneys. The renal vein carries the oxygenated blood away from the kidneys. Okay, so the correct answer. Okay, why the pulmonary vein? Okay, pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium of the heart. So I've explained to you what the different functions of this artery, the renal vein, the pulmonary vein. So now you know the correct answer to number 8 is D, pulmonary artery. Let's go to question number 9. They have told us that this is a diagram of an animal cell. Below is a diagram of an animal cell. That's good. So what are you saying? Which numbered structure controls all the activities of the cell? What controls all the activities of the cell? First of all, it is the nucleus. The nucleus controls all the activities of the cell. And from the diagram, now the nucleus is number 3. Okay, so you know this is where you practice the drawing of the cell from 3 work. So the answer to question number 9 is 3, the nucleus. So we're marking question number 9. The answer is 3. Now I'm going to clear this and scroll up so I can see question number 10. Question number 9, the answer is 3, that's the nucleus. So question number 10, okay, I'll just write it. Question number 10, which of the following parts of a flower make up the stamen? Okay, we have the filament and anthers. We have the stigma and anthers. We have the stigma and style, the style and the filament. Okay, the stamen, take note, the stamen is the male reproductive part of the flower, and it consists of 2 main parts. That it consists of anthers. Okay, the anthers is a sac-like structure at the top of the stamen. It's responsible for producing pollen grains, which contain the male sex cell of the flower. And then the filament are these are sac-like structures. These are stalk-like structures that support the anther and connects it to the base of the flower. So the correct answer to question number 10 is A, the filament and the anthers. Next question, question number 11. Number 11 is asking, has a diagram of a fish. Okay, which number structure in the diagram? This is it. Back to the diagram. Good. Which numbered structure or structures in the diagram of the fish controls rolling and yawing? Okay, rolling and yawing. So the structures that controls rolling and yawing as structure number 1 and structure number 3. Okay, as structure number 1 and structure number 3. So these are the pectoral fins. These are the pectoral fins. Okay, so the pectoral fins. And the pectoral fins are located on the sides of the fish's body, just behind the head. Its body, they are used for steering and maneuvering and braking. Okay, they also help the fish to roll and yaw by creating drag and feed in water. So the answer is number 5. The answer is 5 and 6. That's the pectoral fin and the pelvic fin. Okay, and I want you to take note that the pelvic fin, these are fins that are located under the fish near the belly and help it to steer and maneuver. That's the pelvic fins. These are located under the belly and they help the fish to steer and maneuver. And then the pectoral fin, what the pectoral fin does is that they're located on the sides of the fish behind its head and help it to steer and maneuver. So that's 5 and 6. So the answer to question number 11 is 5 and 6. That's the pectoral fin and the pelvic fin. They help control rolling and yawing of a fish. Next question. Where in the digestive, take note, where in the digestive system of man is hydrochloric acid produced? Where in the digestive system of man is hydrochloric acid produced? We have the ileum, we have the colon, we have the stomach, we have the liver. Well, it happens in the stomach. Okay, hydrochloric acid is produced in the stomach of man. Hydrochloric acid is produced by parental cells in the gastric glands in the stomach. Gastric glands and the stomach in the stomach is a key component of gastric juice which helps to break down food and kill bacteria. So answer to number 12 is C, the stomach. Question number 13. Okay, so for those of you who are telling your friends about ClassGate, ClassGate has made special financial support available for you. And in order to get there, you have to register for the referral program. And in order to register for the referral program, just click your profile icon right here, this green icon. You click on it, tap on your username, click on your username so that you can edit your profile settings. This is how the profile dashboard will appear. It appears like this. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to edit profile right here. And when you edit profile, you see some of your user information is available here. But what I want you to notice is this referral code TAPE. What you do is you write something that is unique only to you. Okay, you write your referral code here, and this is what you'll be sharing to your friends so that ClassGate know that you have shared and you have introduced people to the platform, and they'll give you a special commission based on what they buy or what they sell. Okay, so from here, after you have written your referral code, just update changes, save changes, and that is all you have to do. And when you share the link to ClassGate, when you share classgate.com, this is what you'll be sharing. You'll be sharing this referral link. This is the link that you're supposed to be sharing to your friends. So I've already copied it. I've copied this link. Okay, copy this link and make sure you copy it. This is how the link looks like. You're seeing the link. classgate.com referrals TAPE. Don't forget, because TAPE was a referral code. And when your friend comes to ClassGate with this link, okay, and they buy something for the first time, you get 25% of what they have bought. If they sell something for the first time, you get 25% of what they have sold. And you know that those of us at Leonard Academy, all of our courses are 100 francs. So those of you who are sharing our courses to your friends, you're getting 25 francs for each new friend that you sign in. Okay, that's on the first purchase. When they buy a course for the first time, you get 25 francs. Okay, and even the teachers, when they sell a course for the first time, if you introduce a teacher with your referral code and they sell a course for the first time, you get 25% of what they have. So don't forget, only for the first purchase. Okay, and then those of us at Apelonad, it's good. You introduce 100 friends, you get 2,500 francs. Okay, it's that easy. Introduce your friends to classgate, introduce your teachers to classgate, and gain from it, so that you can gain from it. It's not only learning, but let's help some students to at least buy some break food. Okay, that's what we want. From this structure of the villi, we know that this is a lacteal. These are the blood capillaries. 4 and 5 are the blood capillaries, and then number 1 is the thin epithelium. So which number structure, back to the question, which number structure of the villus are fatty acids and glycerol transported? That is, they are transported in structure number 3, which is the lacteal. Okay, the lacteal are blind line ended capillaries which help to transport fatty acid and glycerol. So the answer to this option is 3. The answer to this question is option number 3. So for that's B. Okay, lacteals are blind-ended lymphatic vessels found within the villi of the small intestine. They are responsible for absorbing fatty acids and glycerol, which are products of fat digestion. Okay, these fatty acids and glycerol are then transported through the lymphatic system into the blood stream. So the correct answer is structure 3, and that is B. So the answer to this number 13 is B. Number 14, they're asking us that which structure in the mammalian brain is concerned with involuntary reflex and activities? We have A, the hypothalamus, B, the medulla oblongata, C, the cerebellum, D, the cerebrum. That is the medulla oblongata. Okay, that is the answer is B, because the medulla oblongata is part of the brain stream that controls many essential autonomic functions, including respiration, heart rate, digestion, and reflexes. It is located at the base of the brain, just above the spinal cord. So that is involuntary reflex, medulla oblongata. Good answer to number 14 is B, the medulla oblongata. And then let's go to question number 15. Question number 15 is asking us that water enters a germinating seed through we have the testa, the helium, the cotyledon, and the micropyle. Well, it's good that everybody knows, as you know, that water enters a germinating seed through the micropyle. Okay, the micropyle is a small opening in the seed coat that allows water to enter. It's a small opening in the seed coat that allows water to enter. Water absorption is essential for seed germination because it triggers a series of physiological changes within the seed, including reactivation of the embryo and initiation of seed growth. So the micropyle is also a pathway through which pollen tubes enter the ovule during fertilization. So the correct answer is the micropyle. Okay, micropyle is a small opening in the seed coat that allows water to enter. So number 15, our answer is D. Number 15, the answer is D. Question number 16. Number 16 is asking us that where does implantation take place in the female reproductive system? We have the oviduct, the uterus, the fallopian tube, and then the ovary. Why are they asking the implantation, not fertilization, implantation. So implantation takes place in the uterus, in B, in the uterus. Okay, the implantation of the embryo occurs in the uterus. The uterus is a pear-shaped muscular organ in the lower female abdomen between the bladder and the rectum. It is lined with richly vasculated endometrium, which thickens the preparation for pregnancy. Okay, if fertilization occurs, the fertilized egg travels down the fallopian tube and implants itself to the clazgate.com is an online learning platform for both teachers and students. If you want to teach on classgate. Okay, I'm encouraging all teachers, and please tell your teachers that you can support them. Okay, they should record a video of the solutions and you can support them on classgate. Okay, so that the course is there anytime you want and it's available there for you anytime you want. You can always access the solutions and access the course. Even if you're forgotten something, you can always access the course that your teacher has uploaded online. Okay, and you can support them on classgate. Good. So when you come to classgate, the first thing you want to do is you log in. I've told you before, log in with your Google account. For those of you who have Google accounts, super for you. You log in with your Google account. Just log in with your Google account. It's very easy. Log in with your Google account so that you can start enjoying free courses or cheap courses on classgate. It's very easy. A lot of people are doing this. So let's get started. After logging in, search for the course you want to study, and today we're studying mathematics. Okay, everybody's studying maths, so we're doing maths today. We're searching for maths. And now you have all the mathematics courses available. Okay, and it's just 100 francs. Look, we already have one student here, and this course was uploaded today. Okay, and this is paper 1 math statistics 2023 solutions, and this is paper 3 2023 advanced level solution, and this is 2022 paper 3 advanced level solutions. As 100 francs each. Another free courses, we have O level mathematics 2023 GCE solutions paper 1. Okay, so if you want to enjoy the free course, just enroll now. But I've told you, enroll now, okay, and you'll be taken to the classroom and you start enjoying your free course. But I've told you that if the course is paid, the button will be add to cart. You'll see the add to cart button, and let's buy pure maths with statistics paper 1 2023. So I've added this to cart. See, I'm add to cart button. And what you, after adding to cart, you want to click this, you can always click that blue icon that just popped out right there. You can click it to go and pay, or you can also click the card icon. This is the card icon. Click on it. We have clicked the card icon and we are waiting, and yes, see, this is what is in our cart. We have Cameroon GCE 2023 pure maths with statistics paper 1 advanced level solutions MCQs, and it's 100 francs. So the total we're paying is 100 francs, no charges. Just proceed to check out. Click the proceed to check out button like I have done. Proceed to check out. And on the checkout page, you just have to write your mobile money number. Okay, it takes Orange and MTN as for Cameroonians. So you write in your mobile money number. And complete payment. And if you have written the correct Cameroonian number, you see this button turns red. Okay, the gray button is now red, meaning you can pay now. So click on the complete payment button, and we're waiting. We've been given 2 minutes to pay for this course. So let's just wait for the prompt on our phone. So the prompt has already appeared on my phone, and I've dialed my mobile money pin. Okay, I've already approved transaction, so we're just waiting for me to have access to the course. It won't take much time. There, I already have access to the course. See, now payment successful, billing success. If you want the receipt, you can always click here to see the receipt of the course that we have just bought. Okay, and this is the receipt of the course that we have bought. Very good receipt. And let's go here. Successful transfer, payment was successful. And after payment is successful, you want to enter the course. Just see from your profile icon. Okay, from the profile icon, go to enroll courses. And it has appeared on our course list. Okay, enrolled courses. This is what we bought. We bought pure maths with statistics paper 1. we can start the course and start enjoying our MCQ solutions to Maths GCE Paper 1 2023. It will take a while for the course to load, but just click the play icon right here. Our course is loaded. Okay, if you want to use less megabytes, you can always select the quality you prefer, select it here. If you want to speed up the course, let's speed it up by 2 times. Okay, I speed the course up by 2 times, and this is how the course is. Okay, don't forget you can also ask questions. Very important, ask questions, and I want all of you to ask questions. The course instructor will be right there to respond to your queries. Okay, don't forget clazgate.com, educating comfort.